A very good morning to all my dear lovely students. I hope you all are well at your home. So my dear students, we have reached at the end of our module 6. Okay, so my dear students, do you remember what we have done in our last class? We have completed the articles, right? So how many articles are there? There are 3 articles. A, and, the, right? So my dear students, before moving to the last section, that is the I write section, let's do a quick recap of whatever we have done till now in module 6. Got it? Okay, so let's start. So my dear students, in our first part we have done the word dictation, right, where we have learnt about the spellings, 8 spellings, right? Coming to the next vocab part where we have learnt about the days of a week and months of a year. So who can tell me now how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yes, then Friday, Saturday. Am I right? Okay, so what is the spelling of Monday? M-O-N, Mon, D-A-Y, day. Monday. Tuesday, T-U-E-S, Tuesday, D-A-Y, day. Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S, D-A-Y, Wednesday. So Wednesday is divided into 3 syllables, right? W-E-D, then N-E-S and D-A-Y, Wednesday. Coming to Thursday, T-H-U-R-S, D-A-Y, Thursday. Coming to the next one is Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Then again Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Got it? So my dear students, there are 7 days in a week. Coming to the months, there are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Right? Okay. So my dear students, next we have learnt about the articles. We came to the grammar portion where we have learnt about the articles a and an at the very beginning. Right? So my dear students, next we came to articles. Yeah. So how many types of articles are there? Article a and the. Right? So what are articles now? Look at the sentence. Okay, look at here now. Lina is a girl. She is holding an apple. She will eat the apple. So the words like a and the. These words point out naming words or group of naming words. They are called articles. So article a and the forms the articles. Yeah, coming to now article A. Where do we use article A? Article A is used before a consonant sound. Consonant sounds are the sounds made by the letters other than A, E, I, O, U. Got it? Coming to article N. N is used before the words that starts with a vowel sound. Vowel sounds are the sounds that made by the letter A, E, I, O, U. So how many of you can tell me now how many letters are there in English? How many alphabets? There are 26 alphabets, right? And out of 26, how many are consonants? 21 are consonants and 5 are vowels. Got it? So article A is used before a consonant sound and article N is used before a vowel sound. Article A and article N is used before a singular noun. When we talk about anything that is in singular, we use article A and article N. Now coming to article the. So article the is used before both singular and plural noun, but only with the definite articles. When we talk about something that we are sure about, when we talk about a particular thing, at that time we use the article the. Okay, when we speak about something for the first time, we always use article A. After that, we use the article the when we talk about the same thing again. Okay, the is also used to speak about something in particular. For example, this is a rabbit. The rabbit is eating a carrot. Got it? In there we have also done many textual exercises, right? Where to give article A, where to give article N, and where to give article the. Right? Coming to the homework section. My dear students, you have done very well in the homework. You have just noted down the correct article in the space provided. So, for now, just check out one more time where to put article A, article N, and article the from exercise 3.4. A, N, and the are used incorrectly in paragraph given below. Rewrite the paragraph by using the correct articles in place of the underlined words. Simran is walking on an road near her house. She sees a ox. She also sees the fruit seller. A fruit seller sees her too. Simran passes the railway station. She sees a engine. An engine is red in color. Got it? So what you are supposed to do now? What are the changes that we are going to make? Okay, listen to me. Simran is walking on road near her house. So we are not talking about any road here, right? We are talking about a particular road which is near to Simran's house. So in place of an, we are going to use there the. Yes, Simran is walking on the road near her house. She sees a ox. Ox is a vowel sound. So we are not supposed to use here a, as a is used before a consonant sound. So what we are going to use here? We will use here an ox. Got it? She also sees the fruit seller. We are talking about a fruit seller. It may be any fruit seller. Yeah, it may be a passerby fruit seller. So we are not going to add here the article the. We will talk about a. We are talking about here about any fruit seller. So when we saw only one, we are going to denote that as article A. She also sees a fruit seller, as she sees only one, right? A fruit seller sees her too. Now we are talking about the particular fruit seller which Simran has seen. So in here we are going to write down the fruit seller sees her too. Simran passes the railway station. She sees a engine. Again, engine is a vowel sound. So what we are supposed to use here? An engine. An engine is red in color. Now we are talking about the same particular engine. We are not talking about any other engine, right? So what we are going to use here? We are going to use the article the. Yes, the engine is red in color. Got it? So my dear students, that was your summarization part. Coming to today's class. Okay, so what we are going to do? We are going to learn about the I write section, where we will write down, where we will learn about ourselves, how to express yourself. Yes, so my dear students, in your pictures are given and you need to observe the picture and then write. So before going to that, let's check out what is the main objective of today's class. So the main objective of today's class is that the students will be able to analyze any picture and frame meaningful and complete sentence. Got it? So my dear students, you'll be able to analyze whatever picture is given in your book. You'll be able to analyze that and you are going to frame a beautiful sentence out of that. Yes. So my dear student, the first exercise here is about your information. When somebody asks you something like, what is your name? How you are going to suppose to answer that? Meena. Yes? No. Right? We need to answer any question that is asked to us only in full sentence. Yes? Suppose when a teacher is going to ask you that, my dear, what's your name? You are not supposed to say only Dhairya. Okay, you are supposed to say very nicely in a very nice tone that, ma'am, my name is Dhairya. Got it? In the same way, in here you have to fill the information about you. So I'm just helping you out. I'm going to read out the questions, but the details you will be filling by yourself. So the first one is, my name is. So I'm adding a small girl's name like Meenu Rajiv. Okay. I am a. So what the picture tells, if you are a boy, you are going to write, I'm a boy. If a girl, I'm a girl. I study in class. Which class are you studying? I study in class 1. I am dash years old. How old are you? 20, 30, 40? No. Right? So what you are supposed to write down? If you are 5 years, 5, 6 years, 7 years and 8 years. Got it? Okay. My birthday is on dash. First you need to write down the date, then month, then year. So what you are supposed to do there? You write down your date of birth. Got it? Okay, very good. Coming to next page, page number 11. Look at a picture and complete the sentences. So my dear students, what you are supposed to do here, you are supposed to look at the picture, observe the picture very carefully, then analyze what is there in the picture and what are the questions being asked here. You need to answer them. So everyone please look at the picture very carefully. It is a birthday picture, right? So yes, the words are given already here. Birthday, hats, gifts, candles, 3. Yes, so what you are going to do here now, you are going to read the questions and then answer. It is a birthday party, right? The girl is blowing out the dash on the cake. So what is she blowing out? She is blowing out the candles, CANDLES. Her friends have given her many gifts, GIFTS, gifts. Coming to the fourth one, there are dash candles on the cake. Can you see how many candles are there? Yes, there are 3 candles. THREE, 3. If 4, 4, if 5, 5. But we can see here only 3 candles, right? Number 5. All the children are wearing party. Yes, what they are wearing? Hats. 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 Got it? Okay, so my dear students, that's what we had in our I write section. I hope you have understood it very well. Yes, whenever any picture is given in such, you need to do that. Okay, so what you are supposed to do first, you need to observe the picture, then analyze what is there, and then you need to answer the questions very carefully. Got it? So just check the Google Classroom. I have given there one reading comprehension. You need to read, and a small picture is also there. You need to look at the picture, observe the picture very carefully, and then answer the question. And ma'am is there to check that out. Got it? Okay, so my dear students, that's all for today. We have learned the articles. We have came to know about all the 3 articles, where to use article a, and the. And also we have learned how to observe a picture and then write the answers. Got it? Okay, so hope you have understood. Even if you have any doubts, we can revisit that topic again. Got it? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.